everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha from the 3rd to the 7th of April 2023 on Monday. A near-death experience suddenly has Anathi questioning everything. Simelo find himself caught between two bulls. Nobomi is a fool in love on Tuesday. Luzo will feel helpless that he can't help his wife. Funeka and Qgebeha's constant fighting forces to intervene, but will she break it through to her mother? Doubts are planted in Nobomi's mind about her boyfriend on Wednesday. THULANI comes home and he promises his mother that he is focused on the wedding. Funeka and Msimelo face of Anathi doesn't want to go back to Luzuko on Thursday. Qgebeha does the unthinkable to get back at Funeka. Anathi has a change of heart about her marriage. Nobomi is ghosted after leaving against gaslighting on Friday. THULANI and Anathi thread dangerously again. Funeka is fed up with being seen as a villain. She moves out of her house. Bomi forgive Lungile again for disappearing on him. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.